Hey guys, welcome to Tyson's Fitness Tips podcast. If you want to lose weight, increase your energy, improve your health and fitness, and look your best, then you have come to the right place. My name is Tyson Brown. I'm a personal trainer, and my job is to help you transform your body by sharing with you the most up-to-date information on health and fitness. I'm going to distill it all down for you into bite-sized actionable steps that you can take immediately to see results quickly. Now, every Tuesday and Thursday, you can expect a brand new episode, which will be a mixture of interviews with top experts from around the world in the fitness space, and as well as solo episodes from myself, sharing with you exactly what action steps you need to take to transform your health, your body, and your life. Hey guys, what's up? Guess what? My book, Ditch the Diet, is about to come out, and I want to offer you a competition about how you can get it for free, okay? So I'm holding a competition at the moment, and all you've got to do is share this podcast in your Instagram stories and tag me at Tyson the Trainer to go into the chance to win. It's that simple. So when you go into your podcast app and you can see my podcast there, you need to screenshot it. Then you need to go over to Instagram and you need to put that screenshot in your stories and tag at Tyson the Trainer with 2 R's, which is me, and that means you're going to go automatically into the running to win my brand new book. And I'm telling you, this book is going to be a game changer. There is nothing else out there like it, and it's going to change the way you think about fitness, nutrition, and how you can lose that stubborn belly fat and keep it off for good. So once again, if you want to go in the running for it, screenshot it on the podcast app, go over to your Instagram, put it in your Instagram stories, tag at Tyson the Trainer, and you're automatically in the running. All right, let's get into the episode. Hey, guess what? I've got a sneaky little tip from my book that I'm going to share with you today, and it's all about my favorite type of beverage, coffee. So, what I want to talk to you about today is how you can burn fat standing here recording a video to you. How you can burn fat sitting and doing nothing. How you can burn fat even when you're doing something like this guy behind me. So what you need to focus on is when you have your caffeine, what people don't realize is caffeine is a good fat burner, because what that actually does is it helps you access your fat stores easier and use triglycerides, which is fat, as a fuel source, okay? I don't want to get too technical here. I want to keep it really simple for you, okay? So what I like to do every single morning when I wake up, first thing I'll do is I'll drink some water, okay? I'll get myself hydrated. Then after that, what I suggest is you have your first black coffee or black tea or whatever, green tea, whatever you're gonna have, okay? Something that's got a little bit of caffeine in it. Because what that's gonna do, because you have an empty stomach and your body's used all the carbohydrates up, it's then gonna start using fat as a fuel source. And when you drink coffee, it's going to help you access that fat easier. So what it means is when you get up, when you wake up, you have your water, then you go and drink your coffee, you are now in fat burning mode, okay? So you can actually be sitting at your desk, typing away, you're intermittent fasting, you haven't eaten for 16 hours, and guess what? You are burning fat. When I'm talking to you right now, I am burning fat, right now. So you can be burning fat for a long period of time when you're following intermittent fasting and when you're drinking your black coffee. Now what I like to do is I like to have a couple of black coffees, because I'm going to be doing some exercise, I'm going to be walking around, I'm going to be doing things, and I want to keep functional, I want to keep my cognitive brain going, and caffeine is a great way to do that. Another reason caffeine is good for losing fat is because it's an appetite suppressant, which means it's simply going to be killing your hunger. When you have caffeine, it stops and blunts your hunger signal. So whenever you feel like, oh, I'm getting hungry, go and have another shot of coffee. I like to have about 3 or 4 cups of coffee a day. Not actually cups, I'll have it in an espresso shot, just like smash it down. And so what I'll do is whenever I start to get those hunger cravings, if I'm not ready to break my fast yet, I'll just have another coffee and just keep it as simple as that. Because when you can use that and you can kill those hunger cravings and you can avoid that food for another 1, 2, 3 hours, guess what's going to happen? That's going to help you get less calories in your body. And when you have less calories in your body, you're going to be burning more fat. You're going to be losing fat because you're not going to be in that calorie surplus, right? And that's why I love coffee so much. That's why I'm such a big fan of it. 1, it makes me feel good. 2, I now know that I'm going to be burning fat in the meantime. And 3, it's going to be killing my hunger cravings. So if I do start to get hungry, I can quickly go, nah, let's blunt that, let's cut that out really quickly. So that's why I love coffee, but the same thing happens with green tea and black tea. Because what you're looking for is the caffeine in there. However, what coffee also has apart from the black tea is the polyphenols in it. Now, I don't know how many polyphenols are in black tea, but when it comes to black coffee, it's actually a really good source of antioxidants and a good source of polyphenols, which is a lot of things that are going to be able to help in your body too, especially with that fasting period and that autophagy, because you'll be also getting rid of bad cells in your body. So how cool is that? All from drinking black coffee. Now, you're probably just like, Tyson, I don't need another reason to drink coffee, but I'm giving to you anyways, because we do wonder, like, what can those things do in our body? And if you can increase your fat burning, if you can kill your appetite, which means you're not going to be eating as much, if you can just feel mentally focused and sharp like me, I've been doing, what are we on, video number 10 so far? And I'm just like, boom, I'm zoned in because I've had my coffee, I'm feeling great, I'm not hungry, and I can just focus on the task at hand. And so that's a really good reason why you should be drinking coffee. Now, how much is too much? That's a really good question. If you think you're going to be drinking too much, here's what I suggest. Have a cutoff point after 12 p.m. After 12 p.m, you switch to a decaf or you switch to a green tea, something with less caffeine in it, because we don't want that interrupting your sleep. Because the problem is, if you have a bad night's sleep, guess what? You are not going to be feeling energetic the next day. Then you're going to have more hunger cravings, which is going to lead you to more coffee, which is going to be this vicious cycle. So make sure no caffeine after 12 or 2. Let's push to 2 p.m. If you're drinking caffeine at 4 or 5 p.m, cut it back to 2 p.m. first, then cut it back slowly. I don't want you to go from 5 p.m. to 12 because it's going to be very, very hard. And then you just swap it up. You have a decaf, you have a green tea, you have a weak black tea, something that's not going to have as much caffeine in it and keep you wide and awake and alert, so you're going to be feeling much better. For me, I'll have about 4 coffees a day, like I said. Now for you, you've got to find out what your tolerance level is. If you can have 2 or 3 coffees and you feel great and you still sleep okay, that's awesome. But here's what you need to look out for. When you get jittery, when you get anxious, when you start sweating, if you get like sweaty pits after drinking coffee, it's probably too much for you. If you drink too much and then it makes you tired, you've had too much. So you've just got to be aware and listen to your body about seeing what's happening, because you don't want these negative results, right? I'm talking about all the benefits of coffee, but if you're drinking too much and you're just feeling yourself just not be 100% and you're feeling off and you're feeling jittery and you're sweaty and you can't focus and all those things, then it's probably not the best thing for you, and you need to find out what your tolerance level is. So start off with 2 coffees or 1 coffee and then go from there and see how you go. But honestly, I really suggest you drink coffee. I've got a lot more there in the book. It's talking all about it. And so what I want you to do is I want you to download my free chapter from the book. So all you have to do is click on the link below right now. Just click on that link and you'll be able to download the free chapter of my book. And I'm telling you, this book is going to be a game changer. You are never going to have to think about dieting again. You're never going to have to cut carbs. You're never going to have to cut your ice cream. Never have to cut pizza. You can enjoy all those foods. Plus, I'm going to share with you a lot more insights. So make sure you click on the link below and get your free book. Speak to you next time. If you want to download your free copy of Ditch the Diet, all you have to do is go to www.tysonbrown.com.au/ditch the diet, and you can download your free copy before it comes out. So head over there right now to get your free copy, and don't forget, you can go on the running to get a free one. All you have to do is share this podcast on your Instagram and tag @Tyson the Trainer, and you'll get in the running for the giveaway. Alright, speak to you next time.